I'm going to be grinding some rice with this Whisper mill. We've been using this for a few years now, and more than a few years, more like 5 or more years, and it's been working great. Duct tape on here. This is actually because this top part broke off. That's just kind of sealing it on there. I have a wet washcloth right here that keeps the dust from coming out. And let's go ahead and grind the rice. This thing gets pretty loud, so it's a good idea to wear some earmuffs. So if the wet rag wasn't here, you could see how much we caught there, and that would all be in the air. And even with the duct tape on here, there's still just dust on the ground, but we'll just sweep that up. But it did a great job. What we're gonna do is just take the wet rag, set that aside, disconnect this from the machine, and there is a nice pot of really, really fine rice powder, rice flour. It's just great. We really like this mill.